Your diaphragm is spasming. That sudden squeeze, that's a hiccup starting. It snaps downward fast, but your lungs aren't ready. Air rushes in anyway, and your vocal cords slam shut. That hic sound, a tiny door slamming. Why does it spasm? Overeating stretches your stomach, irritating the phrenic nerve. Carbonation expands with bubbles, and your nerves misfire. Stress flips your breathing rhythm until it glitches. So why does holding your breath work? Carbon dioxide builds up, and your diaphragm resets. Your hiccup isn't random. It's your breathing system short-circuiting for a second.